I know what you're feeling, Mr. Granderson. You felt it your whole life. Well, maybe since after your 40th birthday.
What? Who are you?
You look like a man who's expecting to wake up 6 times a night and go pee. He believes his wife is just fine when he can't rise to the occasion. Do you enjoy your fate?
I don't believe in fate.
Why not?
I don't like the idea that I'm not in control of my own life.
You're a prisoner of your own bladder. But there is a solution.
The blue pill.
Emsella. With this, you'll never need another blue pill again.
Whoa. Will this make me the one?
No. But it'll give you control over going number 1.